Aga-aga mo gumising, girl. Ha? It's only, 5:41. Aga mo gumising. Why don't you go lay down in the bed? Instead
I
of...
don't want to.
Okay. Okay. Alright, you just stay there, okay? I'm making breakfast. Okay?
Mommy,
Hmm.
I just want you to put the water here so I can drink.
I'll get you some water, okay?
Okay.
So, I'm making breakfast, guys. So, we have eggs and bacon. Dahil ito-toast natin yung bread, like, egg bacon sandwich ang gagawin natin for their breakfast. Good morning, guys. Hindi ko na na-end ang vlog last night dahil ako'y sobrang pagka-uwi namin galing sa doctor nila kahapon. Pag-uwi namin puro homework ang ginawa namin kagahapon. Kaya tapos ayun na, na-busy na, kaya hindi ko na na-end ang vlog kagabi. So, gisingin ko muna yung mga bata kasi hindi rin sila nag-shower kagabi. So, balik na ng school si Kuya Chad, guys, dahil okay naman na siya. Kaya, papapasukin na natin siya. Good morning, dude.
Good morning.
Alright, come on, eat up.
Why
So, it's
go down?
5:54 na, guys.
May my food to go down.
Really? Daming kalat sa ating table. Oh, nako, nakakairita.
I want the lunch boxes over here.
I just put it in there. Alright, come on. Leave it there. Just go eat. Eat. Tell Kuya Caleb is taking a shower.
My food is still hot.
Well, blow it then. There's Kuya Caleb. Nakahubad na naman. Katatapos
I
lang
just
mag...
got out of the shower.
Katatapos siya lang mag-shower. Nasty. Narinig niyo ba yun, guys? Troy just tooted. So, Kuya Chad is taking a shower now. And then after that, Troy will go shower. Hurry up and eat now. Now! Hurry up! Maglilate na naman tayo eh.
What are we? Wait.
No, I'm gonna just drop you guys off to school today.
Yay! Can I bring my iPad? So
No.
I wanna play music.
No. So, ayan guys, hatid natin sila. Yung mga mag-aaral nandoon na sa sasakyan. Inunahan na tayo. Go, Messi. Sasama pa kasi ito babaitan to eh. Aba, nagkakantahan na sila. Ay, puki ka. Nagkakantahan sila. Alright, go. You got everything?
Yep.
Okay, Caleb. Put these, put these in the back. Yes, you have to buckle up, ma'am. Take your jacket off. Caleb, help your sister to buckle up. Troy, buckle up. Everybody ready?
Yay!
Alright, let's go. Let's go.
Yay!
Kuya's back going to school.
I go where I want.
Alright, let's go. Dito na kami sa school, guys. Alright, give me a kiss. Kiss. Go give Sissy a kiss. Kuya. Are you really?
Okay.
Alright, love you guys. Don't forget your backpack. Wait for your brother, please. Don't forget to share that, okay?
I won't forget.
Alright. Love you guys. Love you. Close the door. Love you. dalawang magkuya, iniwan na sila ni Caleb. Where's my food?
You said Braga's all eating.
Daddy took my food!
I can't eat this bite now.
Yeah.
I really
Sissy, why don't you sit over there? So guys, andito kami sa car ni Natalia. So dito kami ngayon sa ano guys, kasi magbabayad si Daddy ng aming car registration. Kasi kailangan nating bayaran ng car registration ng both sasakyan namin ni Daddy. Kaya dito kami ni Natalia sa car. Then pagkatapos dito, pupunta kami ng magtatapon kami ng basura. Day off ni Daddy. So magtatapon kami ng basura, and then pagkatapos noon, pupunta kami ng store. Kasi bibili na kami ng bago nilang bed. Hindi nila alam. Surprise! So, bibili kami ng 2 bed na na bunk bed, kasi yung isang bed nila, painaan ko lang tong ang lakas. Kasi yung alam niyo naman yung bed nila ngayon is 3, si Chad, Caleb and Troy. So, yung sa taas, medyo nagrereklamo na si Caleb kasi sobrang mainit daw dun sa taas na yon. And then at saka ang hirap niyang lagyan ng bedsheet. As in, tatanggalin mo, napakahirap. Tapos, mayroong tinatransfer na naka-orange ang damit. Tapos, yung tag na to, as in talaga ang hirap niyang kasi wala kaming high ceiling. Yung namin, yung sa room nila is hindi high ceiling. So, ganito lang, like sobrang konti lang ng yung like uupo ka, tapos as in like nandito na yung yung ulo mo sa may ng ceiling. Kaya hirap na hirap si Caleb na umakyat doon. Hindi naman po pwede si Troy ang ilagay natin doon sa taas, kasi nga mamaya siya, bumaba siya, tapos biglang mahulog, or something like that. So kaya ayun, nag-decide na, at saka itong ate girl nyo, sabi niya, big girl na daw siya, kaya kailangan nasa malaking bed na din daw siya, kagaya ni Troy. And yes, may balay si ate girl today. So, ang Wednesday natin guys is sobrang busy. Kasi si Kuya Chad, dahil nga bumalik na si Kuya Chad sa school, so meron siyang practice na robotics, at saka sumali siya guys sa choir. So kakanta ang ating kuya, sumali siya sa choir guys. Oh my gosh, nasabi ko na ba yun? Hindi ko pa nasasabi ata. So nag-join siya ng choir, and may practice siya every Wednesday. And then yung performance nila, I think March ang kanilang performance. So, yeah. Show them your outfit. Oh, she's wearing Hello Kitty. And Mommy's wearing a Hello Kitty. Kaya machi-machi kami. Aray ko. Machi-machi kami. Machi-machi.
Now that is match-matchy time.
Yeah, machi-machi time daw kami. Oh my lord. So yeah, waiting na kami dito kay Daddy. And then we're gonna go to magtatapon tayo ng basura. So Daddy's little helper.
drinks in there too?
Sure.
Alright, just set it, don't drop it, set it down in there. Yeah, set it in there.
Don't drop it. There we go. That one too.
Set it down in there.
Don't drop it. There we go. That one more.
See, it's 1959.
Uh-huh. Good job, sissy. Are you daddy's helper? Yeah. Yeah, you have one of those.
Sir.
So, ayan guys, si daddy nagtatapon siya mag-isa ng nung basura dahil ang lamig sa labas, ang lakas ng hangin.
Here.
You can see it. You don't need to go right there. Oh.
Nice.
Daddy's doing on his own, huh?
Yeah, he is. Daddy has a lot of stuff.
Yeah. And then guys, nag-stop kami sa Dunkin' Donut. And then, ayan. Ching. Ayan si daddy.
Ching, 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 ching.
Look at me, sissy.
Ching, 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 ching.
Look at me.
Ching. Sweet little bumblebee is how I wonder what you see.
Do 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 da da.
Do 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 da da do 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 da. One little man is flying so sad to love one day, but left it like a den, and then they flew away. Two little men just flying so sad to love one day, but left it like a den, and then they flew away.
Are you singing for daddy?
So sad to love one day. It's a really bite, like I said, and then they flew away.
Daddy's done. So guys, eto, dito na kami sa Walmart. So ito yung kukunin namin guys, but ito kasi yung dati nilang first bunk bed na kay Chad ka kay Caleb. Until nakita ni daddy yung 3 bunk bed. So now, ha? Okay. Talaga naman, iniwan ka talaga dito ng daddy mo, no? Oops! And then, so, dapat, ito na yung kukunin namin kasi nga walang ibang kulay. Ngayon, may white pala doon, and then may white doon sa likod. So, I'm so glad I found the white one. So, her, the chair, look at that chair. It's 108.
No, I saw that. That one's 126.
I'll get the 126 then, you know.
I want to see it.
I like this. I like this chair for bar stool. So yeah. Daddy's over there.
Mommy, I'm over there to see Daddy.
Huh?
You take me over there.
You like that one?
Yeah, it's a black and white one.
Yeah?
I like that.
126.
Not bad.
Let me see. I want to see it.
It's not there. Sweetheart,
Ah.
the seat. If that thing pulls out and flips over, so you put your feet up.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah. This one? Yeah. This one. That's nice. Your boys are gonna jealous.
Well, when they get their own room, I'll make sure I buy it for them for Christmas.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. We're leaving you there, huh? Niiwan natin si ate girl. Ayan guys, bibilihan ni daddy ng
Really, this rubber might be for my new glasses.
Oh,
bed sheet.
you want this for your bed?
You want Hello Kitty for your bed?
What is
Look at this little kitty. Huh?
Just really love this.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. But you need sheets for your bed. Yeah, to sleep on.
I really like that.
This one? You like this one, or you like the red?
Oh gosh. Mini, mini, mini mo pa?
You want this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I really like both.
Like both what?
I just really like this one.
Okay, that's fine.
I think she's trying. I think you wanted
I have to
her.
put the glasses
Yeah.
back? No, you don't have to put the glasses back.
What about the sheet, the comforter?
The comforter?
Yeah,
This one?
yeah.
Look at it really.
It's matched to that one, so.
This is the one that matches that.
Mm-hmm.
Does she need this?
Duh. You know, you don't have to ask Troy what he wants. Wow, look at that, sissy.
Hello Kitty is dancing.
Yeah, Hello Kitty is dancing.
Now I get this. Now I get.
Oh, and then Daddy's gonna get
You don't
Troy.
have this?
Who? Troy? No,
You don't have like
no.
What about Chad and Caleb?
Well, Chad and Caleb does
They have it?
no, they don't. I told you the one that they have right now. It's already, especially Caleb. It's ripping on the No, I don't think he wants Pokemon. I think he wants gaming, the PlayStation and Xbox. I think.
Chad and Caleb?
I think.
It's PlayStation and Xbox.
Now.
You don't want to wait for them to get it?
Now I have my invention
Oh.
castle.
Okay.
Now I have my invention
Unless you
castle.
want to wait. If you want to wait, then I'll wait.
Daddy, now I have my invention
I mean, it's fine.
castle.
I mean, they like PlayStation. They like Xbox, anyways. I mean, they don't have Lego in here that for Chad that he would like.
Daddy, now
So there's no Lego.
Mommy, now.
Here, I'll push it to you.
Mommy,
Thank you, Mommy.
now.
Somebody's getting cramped up in there. Go get the other bed or buggy.
That's all you need. You don't need anything else.
Well, I mean, are you sure?
Yes.
I know you do. I know you do. I know you do. I'm not. I just put
She
it right
thinks
here.
she thinks you're putting it away.
Now we have a long train. Now I have my
Oh my lord. All right, now what are you gonna do with the mattress then? You need two.
I know. That's what we gotta figure out. We gotta figure out mattresses.
Put these in bags for you, so when you're yeah.
Good job, sissy. Oh, right there. Oh, she's having fun. Oh, good job. And that one?
Oh, why am I holding it to you?
Oh, good job. All right, give it to her. Say thank you.
You did a wonderful job.
What?
Too late.
Okay, it's going to ask you on the card.
So guys, dito kami sa car ni Natalia na naman kasi dito si Daddy sa Big Lots. Kasi yung Walmart, wala silang mattress. Kasi kailangan namin ng dalawang mattress na para kay Troy at kay Natalia. So, ayan. So, may nabili daw si Daddy dyan. And magko-close na kasi itong Big Lots kaya lahat naka-sale. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong percent ang meron sila ngayon kasi yung last na nagpunta kami is only 10% lang yung naka-discount. So ngayon hindi ko lang alam kung anong discount nila ngayon. But yeah, may nabili si Daddy. Hi girl.
Hi.
So then what did you get? May nakita na naman siyang
Glasses.
glasses na.
Well, my car is down there.
Oh, it's okay. We're gonna get it. It's bluey. So damn, it's bluey.
It's bluey.
Put it on, put it on.
Okay.
Ako magsiselos na naman yan si Troy. Ah, gandang bata! Ay, Diyos. Ay, just ganda-ganda bata ah. Tarap sampalin oh. Ganda! You look so pretty.
Mommy, I just can't see them.
See them.
I just.
You can't see?
Do you see me? No, you don't. You see me? No, you don't. You see me? No, you don't. You see me? No, you don't.
Yeah. So guys, dito ako sa bus stop. Tignan niyo si Troy. Ayan. I forgot to open the door.
Are you ready like Sonic?
There's si Caleb.
Sissy.
There with Daddy. Ready na po ang ballet girl. Are you ready? Yeah. She's ready. She's ready. So guys, nandito ako sa school ngayon. Ako na nag-pick up kay Kuya Chad. Ayan oh. Kahit malamig, may mga snow pa sa ground. Ayan, tignan mo. Oh, sige. 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 Maya-maya, nandito na yun si Kuya. Sige, takbo. So guys, kanina pa kami nakauwi. So pakita ko lang sa inyo yung room na makalat pa din siya but kasi hindi pa umuwi si Daddy dahil bumili na rin sila ng dinner. But naka-ready na tong na para i-unassemble, para tanggalin ba yung tong bed na to dito. And then, yeah, ang kalat.
What are you doing in front of us? I'm doing something. I'm chasing some heads.
Nagrereklamo, nagvo-vlog daw ako.
Heads, Mom. Don't plug me.
Oh, you don't vlog you?
Yeah, because I'm chasing heads.
Oh, okay. So, yan, niligpit namin dito. Tinulungan ako nitong dalawang batang makulit na to.
Mom, there's heads.
Yan, niligpit namin dito para merong space si Daddy na tanggalin tong bed dito. And, tsaran! Nandito lahat yung kalat, o, diba? Hindi nyo na makita yung bed ni Natalia. Pati yung kanyang Barbie Dream House, oh. So, yan. Kailangan lang ng space para matanggal tong na to. And then, hopefully tomorrow, mailagay na yung bed nila tomorrow. So, marami tayong gagawin tomorrow. Mag-organize tayo kasi tatanggalin natin tong Barbie Dream House dito. Ibabalik natin sa sala. Tapos, yeah, tatanggalin din, ayan. Kasi, itatabi na yan muna. Kasi, para pag nagkaroon na sila ng sarili nilang room, diyan na ilalagay, sa room na nila ilalagay yung mga nila. So, ayan. Tapos, may binili na rin akong curtina para dito. So, ayan. So, ngayon, matutulog muna sila guys dito muna sila matutulog sa baba. Sa floor, pero may naman, may mattress naman silang gagamitin. So, ayan. So, yan. So, hopefully, meron pa rin space na matanggal to ni Daddy pagka But, yeah. So, yan. So, pauwi na sila Daddy. Bumili sila ng dinner ni Natalia. Dahil wala na akong anong magluto. Dahil nga, So, yun. Bumili sila ng dinner ni Natalia. And then, magano tayo? Chinese, Chinese, dinner tayo kasi matagal na tayo hindi nagcha-Chinese dinner kaya yun, so waiting na lang tayo sa kanila and dahil ako'y gutoms na, so it is 6:41 na. So here's our dinner guys, we have Chinese food and vlog us. So ito sila guys, they're eating and Troy. Sobrang kalat ng table. From the store, you and Daddy got it from the store. I ate the noodles, okay? I only give you a little bit of noodles, so eat it.
Mommy, let me try.
Okay, eat the noodles. Yes, try it.
With my hand.
Yes, you can try with your hand. Go, put it in your mouth. Ah.
Oh man.
You've ate this before, Natalia.
And Mom?
What now, Caleb? You need to pay attention what you're doing. You've been
I'll change my shirt.
No, you're not. Alright, you guys eat.
Mom, do we have school?
Yes, you have school tomorrow, so eat.
Yay!
Eat. Eat. Eat.
Hi.
Eat. I made a heart for you. Eat.
It's not